Michelle and Brian, what month is it?
It's December.
It's December, but you know, our normal high in December, 43 degrees. It's going to feel more like October temperatures today, and going into the weekend, we're going to be in the 60s, well above average. We'll see a little cool down come our way for the start of the week, 54 degrees, but still a good 10 degrees above normal. And on Tuesday, staying in the low 50s. Very mild weather in store. This is thanks to this warming ridge of high pressure. It's going to continue to intensify and build in over the weekend. We do have a cool trough that'll pass just to our north on Monday. This will bring those temperatures back into the 50s, still mild, but just a touch cooler. Also bring a chance to see just a little light mountain snow for the start of the week. But right behind that, another warm ridge of high pressure moves in, and we will see mild weather through Christmas before that pattern change takes shape. On the Futurecast, plenty of sunshine around today, a few high clouds, but dry conditions statewide. So if you have any travel plans today, should be A-OK if you're headed up to the high country or out east along I-70 to Kansas. Through tomorrow, that sunshine staying with us, as well as those dry conditions. By the time we get to Sunday, we'll see some increasing clouds ahead of that next storm system. Temperatures, that's the big talker today. It's going to be a warm wrap up to the week here in the Front Range and across eastern plains in the upper 50s, low 60s. Up in the mountains running above normal as well. 46 today in Vail, 34 in Steamboat with 48 in Aspen. Here in the city, topping out at 64 degrees, as well as out in Aurora, Central Park, low 60s as well. 62 in Thornton and 59 in Erie by this afternoon. Taking you into Arapahoe County, we're going to see 60s across the board from Cherry Hills Village into Columbine Valley, Littleton, and South Glen. And taking you in the Inglewood neighborhood of Arapahoe Acres, we'll have sunshine throughout the day, a high of 64. Mild and dry, wrap up to your week. Tonight, if you're headed out to see some Christmas lights, a holiday party, temperatures falling into the 30s, but it'll be dry and calm throughout the evening. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, more sunshine on tap, calm conditions, and another warm day to kick off the weekend in the upper 50s and low 60s here in the Front Range and across eastern plains, and staying quite mild up in the mountains as well, with 48 in Vail for your Saturday. Super 7-day forecast tomorrow, the winter solstice, but it's not going to feel like winter with that high of 62 degrees. On Sunday, we'll see increasing clouds, but staying on the warm side, 60. And then on Monday, that's when we could see just some light mountain snow up in the high country, and we're talking very light, maybe an inch or so possible up in the northern, central, and southern mountains. On Tuesday, Christmas Eve, 53 degrees, staying dry. And then as the time we get to Christmas and the start of Hanukkah on Wednesday, another chance to see some showers in the forecast. We could see some mountain snow on Christmas morning, and then by the time we get to the afternoon and evening, we could see a wintry mix here in the city. Possible a little accumulation throughout the foothills south of the city, but as you see, temperatures slide into the 40s on Christmas, and into Thursday, we'll stay in the 40s as we see that snow clear out by Thursday morning.